Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about a few technical tools like what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies, the levels, for the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, we have spoken this thing in the last few videos that the price is basically not able to close or cross above than this particular area. So this is basically, this blue line is a 100 days EMA, and if the Bitcoin closes above than this particular line with the good volumes, with the good movement, you will definitely see that this uptrend, which is a very you can say a small uptrend, that will continue, and that will get more strengthening in the future. But that is not happening. You can look at these candles here. So these candles showing there is a lack of buying activity. However, there is a lack of selling activity as well, because the volumes are very less. The looking at the candles, the price action, there is a very less trading momentum, trading activity happening in case of the Bitcoin. So now what's next? Basically you can see the price is up, but it's creating a small upside momentum. The moment, I'm still saying, the moment the price trades higher than this, we will be getting a very good confirmation about the upside. And if the price is not able to close above than this 100 EMA, you might see that the price will come back to fall to a lower level. So for the short term period, what we can expect, we can expect a resistance of 25,823, and we can take up a support at around 22,600. So these are the two levels for these two cryptocurrencies. However, if you talk about the overall momentum, the price is going up, looking at by looking at the chart, by looking at the candles. Now if you talk about the Ethereum, so Ethereum is showing some kind of momentum, and if you have seen our previous videos, we were talking about this thing, that the price will definitely reach towards this area of 2004. And you can see the price, I think it was on 14th of August, the price made a high of 2031. So yes, the resistance is already been the price has already reached to the resistance level. But looking at these candles, if you look at these candles, you can see that the price is not able to close above than this resistance. And also if you look at this whole momentum, so they definitely after this whole upside momentum, you will definitely see that the price will correct. So this is nothing, this is just a correction looking at the current situation. And if you look at the volume, so also the volumes are not good enough to say that it's a sell, it's a reversal. So that's something you can expect a reversal, and this reversal may come down to somewhere around 1800 level. So this is something you can expect for Ethereum, and then the price will again move towards the upside, and maybe this time we will see a close above the resistance of 2004. So as of now, what we can see, we can take up a resistance at 2004, and we can take up a support at 1725. Also, one more important thing in case of the Ethereum is that the price is trading higher than this 100 EMA. So till the time the price is up, it is trading higher than this EMA, we can see that the price will go up. So this is something for the Ethereum. And for the Bitcoin, I have already told you the price needs to close above than the 100 EMA, and then we will be getting more clarity about the upside momentum. So if you are liking this content, if you are getting benefited out of this content, out of this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any future notification. Share this video so that others can also take help from our content, from our videos. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.